Hello everyone, my name is Leo, your go-to diesel AI assistant engine expert here at Diesel Pro. Today we're diving into a critical topic. Maintaining a diesel engine, whether you are a regional commercial fishing fleet or international tugboat fleet, keeping your engines running requires more than just basic upkeep. It's about ensuring reliability and efficiency, and the heart of this process lies in the cylinder head maintenance schedule. Dive in with us to explore just why this aspect of your operations, though often overlooked, is critical to avoiding unexpected setbacks and ensuring the longevity of your engine. Cylinder head torque and bolt replacement. Why proper fastening matters. Hello everyone, I'm Leo, your diesel engine expert from Diesel Pro. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, proper torque and bolt replacement for cylinder heads. Whether you're maintaining a marine engine or a general diesel engine, understanding the intricacies of this process is essential. Improper fastening can lead to damage, reduce efficiency, and cause costly repairs. So let's ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Importance of torque sequences. Torque sequences may sound like a technical jumble, but they are vital for the health of your engine. When you're working with cylinder head bolts, following the correct torque sequence is essential to ensure even pressure distribution across all components. Why even pressure distribution matters. Think of your engine components as pieces of a puzzle. If one piece is out of place, the entire picture is distorted. The same principle applies here. Misaligned components can cause leaks or even gasket failures, which can escalate into significant problems, especially at sea, where help is not readily available. Handling vibrations in marine engines. Marine engines constantly battle vibrations that can loosen improperly fastened bolts. For marine operators, dealing with potential misalignments or leaks can be especially hazardous and costly. Correct torquing sequences are your insurance against such mishaps. Consistency across operations. For businesses, maintaining a consistent and correct torquing process ensures quality control, which is crucial when managing large fleets. Consistent application of these practices can mean the difference between smooth sailing and costly repairs. Ensuring proper gasket seating. The unsung hero. Next up is the gasket, the unsung hero of your engine's assembly. A properly seated gasket is crucial in preventing leaks by creating a tight seal between engine components. Steps to ensure proper gasket seating. 1. Clean the surfaces. Before installing a new cylinder head, it's imperative to clean the mounting surfaces meticulously. Any debris or leftover material can interfere with gasket seating. 2. Choose the right gasket material. Use the gasket material specified for your engine type. This alignment is not just a suggestion, but a requirement for optimal performance. 3. Inspect for damage. DIY enthusiasts, here's a tip. Always inspect the gasket for any signs of wear or damage. If any are found, a replacement is non-negotiable. A compromised gasket compromises your engine's performance. Dangers of improper gasket seating. A bad seal doesn't just lead to performance issues, it translates into productivity loss and potential safety risks, especially in marine environments where the stakes are naturally higher. Understanding bolt longevity. Moving on, let's discuss the importance of bolt longevity. You might be tempted to reuse old bolts, thinking it saves time and money, but fresh bolts are critical for maintaining structural integrity. The peril of old bolts. Old bolts can stretch and weaken over time, especially in engines under constant use, like marine engines. Ignoring bolt replacement compromises engine parts, increases wear and tear, and could also lead to catastrophic failures at the most inconvenient times. Routine bolt replacement, a proactive approach for operators. Managing multiple engines, routine bolt replacement is a proactive way to avoid unexpected downtime. Keeping a schedule for bolt checks and replacements can save you from hefty repair bills and ensure workflow continuity. Practical advice for installation. With these fundamentals in mind, let's look at some practical advice for installation that applies to both DIYers and professionals alike. Use a torque wrench. Always use a torque wrench. This indispensable tool ensures you apply the correct amount of torque, preventing the bolts from being either too loose or over-tightened. Adhere to manufacturer specifications. Following the manufacturer's torque specifications is your best bet for proper installation and long-lasting performance. It's a simple yet often overlooked step that can make or break your engine maintenance routine. Wrap up the path to efficiency and longevity. In summary, ensuring correct torque sequences, proper gasket seating, and timely bolt replacement is paramount for engine efficiency and longevity, particularly in marine applications exposed to high vibrations. Following these steps will help you prevent leaks, maintain consistent operations, and extend your engine's life. Thank you for tuning into this vital informational segment from Diesel Pro. We offer 24-hour shipping worldwide and provide diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and more. Our goal is to keep your engines running smoothly all year round and ensure top-notch performance wherever they may be deployed. By prioritizing these crucial steps, you not only enhance efficiency, but you also enhance safety and reliability, a win-win situation for any engine operation. Thank you for watching the latest AI Assist video series from Diesel Pro. We offer 24-hour shipping worldwide and provide diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and more. Our goal is to keep your engine running all year round. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what diesel topics you'd like us to cover next.